Bro, so you telling me I walked around all day with my purples looking like this, bro? What do you even do? Bro, what did I do for them to look like this, bro? Look, they're literally cooked, bro. I should just rip the tag off, right? Bro, I did make a video on how to wash the purples before, but this is kind of different because the whole tag is ruined and purples wouldn't look right with just a front tag. So I'm about to figure out what we can even do for this. Like, should I even try to clean the back tag or should I just rip off the back tag and have some Levi's? But I already know y'all gonna cook me in the comments, bro. But just look at these purples, bro. Like, I just got them too. And they cooked. We just not. Bro, right? I didn't even peep until I came home. Somebody was like, yo, your purple tag is like folded. My purple tag was like this. My purple tag was like this, bro. So, we gotta see how we could get these off. Should I just throw one pair of jeans in the washing machine? For me, they still good though from when I showed y'all. Like, purple tag. Matter of fact, y'all see this? Look at the bees, bro. Literally, that's how you take the purple tag off. Shit, purple tag done. Now we got Levi's, bro. I don't know what I should do with this, bro. And I got a crazy house start video coming for y'all, bro. Best house start site. I mean, they shipping time so far seems faster than Billion's Closet. So I'm about to see what's up with that. And if it's good, I'm gonna put y'all on. Alright, y'all, we in the kitchen now. And I think we came to conclusion. Cause I don't know how we supposed to get this off. So I think we finna just, nah, I'm playing. I'm finna just take the scissors. And just like scratch it. Alright, y'all, so I don't know what to do, bro. This shit is not working. I'm really finna just cut the purple tag off, bro. Alright, y'all, so unfortunately, bro, we gonna have to do the unexpected, bro, because it's not coming out, bro. I done tried shout. I literally tried to put bleach on the tag, like, to get it out. I iced it, everything, bro. It's not coming off. So I know a lot of y'all finna be like, bro, you literally just ruined your jeans. You got Levi's now. But I'm finna show y'all what we gotta do, bro. We got to do it. It's not coming out, bro. And I'm not taking them to the cleaners because if I take it to the cleaners, they just gonna take the tag off anyways. Alright, y'all. I ain't expect to be doing this, bro. Scissors. Damn, bro. Bro, purple tag done, bro. Alright, y'all, bro. Y'all feel me? Now we got some Levi's, bro. Finna go ahead and show y'all these, bro. Hold on. Get this right, bro. Purple tag off. Purple tag off. Y'all let me know in the comments, bro. Should I get it put back on? Because you can put this back on. Literally, all you got to do is just sew this back. But, feel me? No purple tag. No purple tag. Please drop a like on this video so I can buy another pair of purples, bro. Can we hit 50 likes on this video, bro? I literally be dropping bangers for y'all, giving y'all mad sauce. And I'm finna give y'all mad house star sauce, bro. All y'all gotta do is drop a like on the video, bro. I'm finna hit 2K subs. Y'all really been showing mad support. But I really don't know what I'm finna do. Because I just had to cut the pair. I just literally cut the whole tag off the purples, bro. This is literally what makes the purples, like. Now I'm rocking Levi's. I'm still gonna wear the jeans, though, but. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. New video coming soon. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I know y'all waiting for the house star. I'm still waiting for the house star. End of the video.